guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna take a look at the crossbar here on the ceiling on BMW X3 F25. This thing is making horrible noise. Let me show you. Yep, that's this bar right there. It's cold outside. Yeah, it's horrible, isn't it? So it's cold outside. When it's cold, it makes so much noise that it's hard to stand. It's so annoying. The dealer said they have to take out the whole ceiling off to fix that, which I believe is a bunch of baloney. So we're gonna try to fix that with some Velcro. Okay guys, so I noticed that when you hold it here in the back a little bit, this is the back of the car, if you hold it here, this thing stops making noise. So I'm gonna try to put some Velcro here in 3 places, here on the back, middle, and 2 sides, and we'll see if that's gonna make any difference and if it's gonna help. If you grab this thing, you see it moves a little bit. And again, BMW said they would have to take off the whole ceiling liner, roof liner, to fix that. So we'll see if a piece of Velcro is gonna do it. Make sure the sunroof opens after that and everything is good. So got a couple pieces of Velcro here. That's the soft part of Velcro that you want to use. Short ones on the side and long one in the middle. Let's see if that's gonna do it. So first we want to wipe this thing with some Windex or something so the Velcro sticks. And try to slide your finger behind without ripping the thing off, or slide the towel at least in. Okay, so here is my short piece of Velcro number 1. I'm gonna pull this little bit up, slide that Velcro in there. Yeah, there's actually a little bit of loose here. You know what, I'm gonna, since I pulled it and it doesn't break, I'm actually gonna wipe it a little more. So yeah, it looks like this is on some springs or something. Definitely. It's just a panel to cover it. So one side. I'm actually gonna put this the other way. This way. Okay. Yeah, it's mostly the middle. I think the middle is the problem here. I don't think the sides are honestly even touching. Let's see if I can fold it this way. This is the middle. If I can fold it and it can stick. Okay. Okay, so let's make sure the roof is closing fine, which it should. I'll show you how this Velcro looks like. from this side. So here it is, one piece, and there's another one, and another one here. I'm pretty sure it's just the metal that is causing the issue. So since the roof slides on there, I don't think there's gonna be any issues here. Yeah, it goes right under that, so no issues there. I'm gonna do a test drive. Dry on some uneven surfaces. Okay, so that's quiet. Let's open and see how the Velcro does. I think we're good. Hey guys, thanks for watching this quick fix video. This is probably the last video for 2018, so if you get a chance, hit subscribe, hit like. I'll see you in the next video in 2019. This year's been very good, and there's more and more coming in 2019, and hopefully the channel grows and there'll be more stuff. I'm thinking about buying a salvage car, some German, Audi, BMW, I'm not sure yet, maybe Mercedes or something else. Just considering my options. So if you have any suggestions, what should I buy? I'm looking for SUV. Let me know in the description below. Greatly appreciate all the tips and suggestions. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next one.